Let's discuss the reading for this week. Week 6, Influencing. Chapter 20, Giving Directives and Managing Change. In the beginning of the chapter, there's a quote by Howard Schultz. People want to be part of something larger than themselves. They want to be part of something they're really proud of, that they'll fight for, sacrifice for, and that they trust. I believe this statement encapsulates how a successful organization communicates to its staff. Please take some time and review characteristics of good directives and techniques. Please look at Theory X and Y supervision. As a leader, I learned that I could always bark out a directive or explain something. Explaining things to my staff helped me to be a successful supervisor and get buy-in. Chapter 21, Leadership. I believe that effective leadership is the main structural support of an organization. Being a leader that provides guidance, support, and hope are key. Please take some time and look at the leadership theories, roles, and styles. There is an exhibit in the chapter, Healthcare Leadership Alliance Competency Model. Leaders have the ability to draw in others, encourage them to listen, and energize them. According to research, an important fact is that workers tend to leave a job in the first year to 18 months of employment due to poor leadership. Chapter 22, Motivation. Motivating employees is a must for managers. A manager needs to arouse, energize, and direct. Lack of motivation can jeopardize productivity and performance. Theories of motivation include content theory, believes that individuals are motivated by need. Process theory believes individuals are motivated by equity and expectancy, meaning equal compensation and treatment. There's an exhibit in the chapter with generational workforce characteristics and generational clash points in the workplace. Great information to know and share with others. Example, generational workforce characteristics. One area values accountability. A baby boomer believes in work ethic equals hours worked and monetary rewards, where a millennial values instant gratification. Chapter 23. Morale is defined as the total satisfaction a person derives from the job, work, group, supervisors, employing organization, and environment. Every manager needs to be aware of morale issues and try to improve areas at work. Please spend some time looking at the importance of morale. I know I spend many years working on improving morale at the workplace. What I learned is that sometimes an individual may be an angry person in general, so remember to look at the whole forest, not one tree. It is an ongoing work in progress to improve morale. Chapter 24, Discipline. All discipline is not bad. Discipline could mean punishing or maintaining positive or constructive discipline. All managers would like to avoid disciplining an employee if at all possible, but you need to remember that it is not you, it is the employee's behavior, and you have to maintain a sense of order in the workplace. Things to remember as a supervisor. Discipline in private, utilize a progressive process, example, informal talk, spoken warning or reprimand, written warning, suspension, demotion, and lastly, termination. A very important lesson that I learned as a manager is to keep written documentation on all types of disciplinary action. You never know when you'll end up in a legal case. Remember to be fair and consistent with disciplinary action. Employees talk, even when they say they won't. What do we want to accomplish for week 6? When we finish this week, you should be able to answer the following. Let's check your understanding. These questions are for review only. You do not need to submit your answers for grading. Define the term directives and distinguish the term from suggesting and commanding. What is meant by the term consultative supervision? Define the term leadership. Describe the basic tenets of achievement theory. After you complete the reading for the week, come back and try these fun facts on the chapters and check your knowledge. This does not count towards your grade, but it will help your learning. Good luck.